2012 was a year of extreme weather that caused devastation around the world and high insured losses, 77 billion US dollars. This is the third highest ever recorded. Losses were mostly registered in the United States, the country with the highest insurance penetration. Record heat and prolonged dry spells caused drought in the United States, but also in a number of major grain-producing countries, such as Russia, India, Brazil, and Kazakhstan. But one single storm caused nearly half of the losses, Hurricane Sandy. Hurricane Sandy had the largest ever recorded wingspan for a North Atlantic storm and caused a massive storm surge that flooded over 500,000 houses. It also led to the worst power outage caused by a natural catastrophe in the history of the United States.
Sandy was a very atypical hurricane in the track angle that it took. But the losses that ensued were not unexpected. It is something that we would experience, let's say, once every 5 years. However, in the Northeast, we would expect to see a storm of that magnitude causing that type of loss once every one's lifetime, let's say 60 or 70 years. In fact, when we think back to the 1938 hurricane, the losses it produced were much greater, normalized into today's values, than Hurricane Sandy caused. It makes us wonder, once every lifetime we expect to see a storm of equal to or greater than Hurricane Sandy impacting the Northeast. And over the last 20 or 30 years, just think of how complex and congested this area has become. Which leads me to believe Sandy was nothing more than a wake-up call. The next event could be greater, more severe, and more devastating.